Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Engineered to perform proprietary cork-rubber formulation. Superior seal, highly conformable to accommodate for the imperfect sealing surfaces. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. Great fit. Don't forget the RTV gasket seal on too small areas. Perfect fit. For a 2004 vibe, make sure you use RTV gasket seal on the small areas where the timing chain housing meets up with the engine block. The YouTube video I watched didn't say to do that, but the Haynes book did. If it's not done, you can expect leaks, and that's the last thing you want.